So that's a Malang restaurant. It have one of the best spicy hot spot over here, and I'm gonna see you how it is from inside here. So we have all these options. First we get this bowl, and then we put all the things that we want from here, and afterwards, yeah, they have like so many options, and then afterwards we give it to them and they cook it for us. Yeah, that's how it is. That's my friend Abdul Rahman. He's sitting here. He have already made his bowl. Soup किधर है? पी गए?
मैंने ड्राई वाला आज बनवाया है। मैं तुझे भी कह रहा हूँ ड्राई वाला बनवा ले, बहुत कमाई की ये वाला।
ड्राई वाला है?
बहुत कमाल है। 4 फ्लेवर है ना इनके पास। इसमें वो स्पाइसी में तूने
So this is I got the Chinese hot spot, and this is Mr. Abdul Rahman having his food. He already finished his food, and yeah, now my turn to eat. Yeah.